Leslie.
And Lexi.
Here at Light Elegance headquarters in Redmond, Oregon. Drum roll, please. We are launching something new and exciting today. Something that every one of you will want.
Can I stop?
Yeah, you can stop. This is really fun.
This is fun.
This is something that every single person needs.
Yes.
And it is absolutely the best one
every
you've ever
single
seen.
person is going to want.
Everything of hers. It's cute. It's a one pump.
It's high quality.
It has a round bottom.
It has a round bottom.
It is.
What does it mean?
No, this is fun. Every single desk, every nail desk wants one. So we'll go ahead and show them.
Yep. New cleanser pumps. Round bottom flask cleanser pumps.
Yes. And it truly is the most exciting thing. Well, let's show them first.
I have the pink one, and you have the clear one.
Look at these, you guys.
OMG!
This is so exciting. This cleanser pump is truly a one pump, as you can see. And they're an 8-ounce, correct? Glass.
Made of high quality glass.
Not cheap plastic.
No, it's custom designed to be our round bottom flask made out of glass. You can put acetone, cleanser, or isopropanol in these.
Yes. And I think one of the best things about it is this little pumping lid thing, or I don't know what you call it. But,
yeah, it's kind of curved up, so when you press it once, it fills up, you guys. You don't have to sit there and go pump, 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 pump. It is amazing. It's going to save you on your cleansing wipes.
Oh, yeah, well, it saves time.
Yes.
How many pencil gums do you have to sit there and go like this to get the stuff out? Truly, a one pump, lots of stuff. In fact, you kind of have to get used to that. But it's the round bottom flask. I mean, we are really proud of these.
It'll make their desks look so festive and Light Elegance.
And the reason we have two different colors, we have a pink cap and a white cap, just in case you want two. You might have acetone or Light Elegance cleanser in one, and then, or you might just have alcohol in the other,
That's
so
a
that you
good
don't
idea.
get them mixed up,
Yeah.
right? So,
or if you just don't want a pink cap and you're not a pink person,
or if you are a pink person.
But these are really, we've been really excited about these. We've been excited to share this with you guys.
Yes.
I know a lot of people have kind of seen little sneak peeks and they've been excited.
They got we had one in a video one time and everyone wanted to know. I thought it was a fun tease. I got in trouble for it though. Anyway, the round bottom one pump flasks from Light Elegance, you can pre-order them now. We're so excited about them. They're fun.
Let's
and
cheers
say,
lightly because they're glass.
well, they don't break. Look at the nice thing about it. They're nice solid glass. They're heavy. They're not going to fall over. They don't tip over.
No, look how sturdy they are.
Yeah. Woo! Order them today. They're exciting.
Pre-order